How to start page numbering from a specific page in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Word in your laptop or PC and then open up the Word file from where you want to begin your page number from a specific page. After you open up your Word file, now you have to navigate to that page from where you would like to begin your page number from. For example, I have this page number 4 right here from where I would like to begin the page number from. So navigate to that page. Once you navigate to that page, now click on this layout option from this menu bar at the top of this interface. Under this layout, there is a breaks option, click on it. Then next page. After you click on next page, now again go to insert, navigate to page number option and click on it. Now you have to choose according to your preferences. Either you would like to paste your page number at the top of a page, at the bottom of a page, or page margin or current position. Here I will go with bottom of page. Now you have to choose your layout. For example, I will go with this. Now once you do this, from the same interface there you will have this option link to previous. Make sure to click on it. Once you click on it, again go to insert and then click on page number. Now from here you have to click on format page number. A pop-up box will appear in your interface. Now click on start at and then you have to make sure it is 1 and then click on OK. And there you can see the page 4 of my Word file is starting with 1 as a page number. Now you have to remove the remaining page number of this previous pages. Click on it and simply remove it. And you do the same with this here and you can simply remove this header file. And with that you can see the page number is starting from the page 4 of my Word file. So this is the way to start the page numbering from a specific page in your Word, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.